we have to solve integration of cos x plus a upon sin x plus b dx. Okay. Now let x plus b is equal to t, x is equal to t minus b. Now differentiating with respect to t, dx is equal to dt. Now the question becomes integration of cos, now in the bracket what is x? T minus b. Okay, so we can write it t minus b plus a upon sin t dt. To this we can write it integration of cos t plus a minus b, okay, upon sin t dt. Now formula for cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now cos a cos t cos b a minus b, cos a cos b minus sin t sin a minus b dt upon sin t upon sin t. Okay, so what we are left with now? We are left with cos a minus b integration of cot t dt minus sin a minus b integration of dt. Sin t and sin t cancels. So now we are having cos a minus b with, now cot t, integration of cot t was log mod of sin t minus sin a minus b with t plus c. Okay, so now let's put the value of t. Now this becomes cos a minus b log sin t x plus b, x plus b minus, now we can write t x x plus b sin a minus b plus c. Answer. Simple question.